Good evening, another quick video update as of 10 p.m. Just wanted to show you, look at what's starting to develop here. What we're starting to see is divergence aloft, and we're starting to see the low-level jet at 850 millibars start to take shape with our upper level low starting to close off and shift towards the mid-Atlantic coast. Rapid pressure falls are developing over North Carolina, and here's our pressure, here's our surface map. Right here, you can see our low pressures here along the coast. This is going to rapidly deepen and just bomb out over the New Jersey coastal waters, leading to some very intense lifting throughout the atmosphere. But you see this right here? This is our fire hose starting to develop. The lifting is starting to shift, and the whole storm is going to start to pivot. And we're starting to see that very nicely on the radar as we stand right here. Snow's starting to push into New York City. Connecticut, you're going to get yours. Northeastern Pennsylvania, you'll see snow as well. There is going to be a sharp cutoff. There has to be, because you're having so much lifting developing along the coast that there must be sinking air somewhere. And you could see the pivot starting to develop here. Look at this very intense precipitation here. This is all going to be snow when it pivots and lifts towards the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area and just drive into the northern mid-Atlantic through tonight, into tomorrow, through tomorrow, into early Sunday morning. So we're talking about a long duration event with some very impressive snowfall rates. I would not be surprised if we see snowfall rates of 1 to 4 inches per hour developing at times. And why do I say that? Well, this is the latest NAM-SCUT as in Trenton. What I did is I pulled it up from Trenton, and what this shows me is that at the middle of this storm, look at this environment here. This right here tells me that we're going to have an unstable atmosphere in the lower portion of the atmosphere. And what that supports is the ability to have rapidly rising air, and that rapidly rising air leads to low top thunderstorms developing, or ice or slantwise convection developing, and this instability leads to the potential for thunder snow. That's lightning, thunder, snow. So it's going to be pretty impressive to see this develop if we actually get this forecast correct. Finally, I just want to show you real fast, why is the NAM guidance so enhanced with the QPF? Well, it's because it's trying to pick up all of this lifting here. This right here is your low-level jet. And what it's basically saying is that there's going to be so much lifting in the environment that there's going to be intense convective snowfall developing. Now, whether or not this is widespread is debatable. It'd be something that'd be rather unusual for any type of these winter storms, because you have to have sinking air somewhere. So having all of this lifting here like this would be incredibly unusual. There has to be a dry slot or sinking air somewhere within this storm setup. But you get the point here that this is going to be a very impressive storm. So use caution, do not go outside in this event, and use some common sense and stay home. That's the NYNJPA weather update. Thank you for following, and stay safe out there.